Last year when I came to Celebration Key, I'm gonna be honest, accessibility was very limited. Outside the main cement walkway, there really wasn't much access for wheelchair users. So coming back this year and seeing this is progress. They've installed what looks like a Mobi Mat here in the Calypso Lagoon North area, and this makes a big difference. If you're visiting and you're looking for a way to actually get closer to the water and possibly in the water and enjoy the lagoon, this is where you want to be. Moments like this matter because accessibility isn't extra, it's necessary. Now with that being said, there's still work to be done. As of April 2026, there's still no real wheelchair access to the food trucks or tables area. Everything is set up in the sand, which makes it tough to navigate and actually sit down and enjoy a meal. A few lagoon lifts around the island would be a huge upgrade, and adding more solid pathways or hard sand areas would open this place up for a lot more people. So yes, this is a step in the right direction and I'm glad to see it, but I'm also hopeful they keep going because the goal is simple. Access should be for everyone.